YouTube channel. It's me, Lobili, and it's a lovely day. May bago na naman tayong video at ang video natin ngayon ay how to make money online without investment. Ayan. So, I'm sure that you know someone or somebody, either a friend or your family members na kumikita ng pera with zero investment. Yes, meaning hindi naglalabas ng pera. But, for sure, you are also wondering paano nangyari yun. Posible nga bang kumita ng pera kahit na walang ini-invest? Well, to tell you honestly, sa panahon ngayon, it is really possible. How come? Well, uso na ngayon ang mga online jobs, even before pa na mauso ang pandemic. Though marami ang hindi naniniwala dito, marami pa din ang nagpapatunay na maaaring kumita ng pera online even without investment. The best way to make money without investment is through online. Yes, tama ang narinig nyo guys. Online jobs and pinakamadaling way to make money online. At ang video natin ngayon ay tungkol sa mga paraan paano kumita ng pera nang walang inilalabas or binabayaran na anumang halaga. So, kung gusto nyo kumita ng pera with zero investment, panoorin nyo ang video na ito hanggang sa dulo at maging updated sa pinakamadaling paraan to earn money. So, without further ado, ano-ano nga ba? Number 1, affiliate marketing. Ang affiliate marketing ay isa sa mga magandang paraan para kumita ng pera with zero investment. Usually, ang affiliate marketing ay tinatrabaho online. Maaari mong gamitin ang social media para kumita ng pera through affiliate marketing. You can use your blog, Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram to promote and earn money. Ano nga ba ang affiliate marketing? Paano ito ginagawa? Ang affiliate marketing ay isa sa mga oldest form of digital marketing. Sa prosesong ito, magpo-promote ka ng isang product online at kung may bumili ng product na ipinopromote mo, then makakakuha ka ng commission dito based on your agree percentage. So, the more products na mabibenta, the more commission ang marireceive mo. In short, more benta, more sales, and more kita. And take note mga kalablab, more on online transaction lang ang bagay na bagay sa panahon natin ngayon dahil may pandemic. Ang iba siguro sa inyo ay nagtatanong paano magsimula. Well, mostly companies that sells products online offers an affiliate program. Maaari kang mag-join sa affiliate program ng libre. Simple lang. Parang gagawa ka lang ng isang online profile mo. First, sign up for the affiliate program and kunin mo ang iyong unique tracking link. Then, once you have your own affiliate link, pwede ka nang mag-promote ng product ng affiliate partner mo. So, you can write a blog or post on your social media, then promote the company site. So, gamitin mo yung link to recommend your affiliate companies sa target market mo. Whenever someone clicks your link and purchase using your link, you can get commission from that. Simple lang, di ba? So, promote and earn lang. And when it comes getting your earn money, automated na ngayon guys. All through online. Usually through PayPal, Pioneer, or Wise. Ang issuehan ng commission. So, number 2. Number 2 is freelancing. Freelancing is another effective way to make money without investment. Skills, diskarte at tiyaga lang ang puhunan mo dito mga kalablab. For sure, marami sa inyong mga aware sa how freelancing works. In freelancing, clients from other countries are hiring virtual employees to do the work for them. Yan, mga VA. Marami yan sa Facebook. It's a work from home din ito mga kalablab. So, di mo kailangan makipagsiksikan sa kalsada pag rush hours. Ano-ano ang mga in-demand hiring sa freelancing ngayon? So, those on your screen right now, yan, are available. Yan. And many more. Sa lahat na nabasa nyo sa screen, kung isa ka sa mga yan, or you have some skills na qualified ka to start freelancing, may mga online platforms kung saan makikita mo ang mga hirings and you can apply as much as you can. Here again on the screen, some freelancing platforms where you can look for clients to apply. At mga kalablab, be aware pa din sa mga scammer since meron pa din mga nakakalusot na scammer dito sa mga legit freelancing platforms. Yung tipong after rendering your service, i-ghost ka na. So, beware. Sa freelancing and the work schedule mo ay depende sa magiging client. Mostly graveyard shift due to differences in time zone. Meron din naman mga flexible time as long as ma-meet mo yung expected output for the day mo. Ang maganda dito, usually, dollars ang kita. So, pag mataas ang conversion rate, much better. Also, hourly din ang rate, but depende pa din sa client mo. May fix, may hourly, and may commission-based din. So, dumako naman tayo sa number 3. Start a profitable blog. Vlogging ay isang paraan din kung paano pwedeng kumita ng pera na zero investment. Magsimula kang gumawa ng vlog. But take note, iba yung vlog sa vlog. Vlog is like a YouTube videos na ginagawa. When it comes to vlog, more on writing lang ito. So, kung may passion at skills ka sa pagsusulat, para sa iyo to. Very suitable ang vlogging sa mga tao na gustong sumulat at magbahagi ng opinion, thoughts, and knowledge through writing. Unlike freelancing, may mga job description na kailangang may certain expertise ka or skills. While sa vlogging, wala. Basta may passion sa pagsusulat, go. Pwede na. Paano kikita sa vlogging? There are ways kung paano ma-monetize yung vlog mo. It will depend sa level of vlogging mo at sa niche ng vlog mo. When it comes to niche, you need to choose the niche that suits you. Like kung saan ka interesado or knowledgeable. In this way, you can share more thoughts sa readers, which can also attract readers to read your blogs. So, here are the ways to monetize your blog. Pwede kang pumunta sa ad networks tulad ng AdSense at media.net, direct advertisement, affiliate marketing, native advertising, sponsored posts or paid reviews, sell digital products like ebook or blueprints, launch an online course, offer consultation services, offer services based sa skills na meron ka, and many more. So, remember, mga basic lang ng vlogging po ito. I am just giving you an idea na pwede kang mag-earn ng money through vlogging. So, now, kung interesado kayo and gusto nyong i-pursue ang career na ito, then, you need to research, self-study, and watch videos online. There are many ways to learn. So, do your part, study. At the end of the day, ikaw din ang aanin yan, kaibigan. So, natuto ka na, kikita ka pa. So, now, number 4. Ayan, ito yung ginagawa natin ngayon. Put up your own YouTube channel. So, kung hindi ka interesado sa pagsusulat, baka sa vlogging mag-succeed ka. For sure, alam niyo na how YouTube works. Marami nang kumita through uploading videos on YouTube, including me. Pero, hindi pa ganoon kalaki guys. So, anyway, marami ng content creators ang successful galing sa katas ng vlogging. When it comes to vlogging, you do not need to invest any amount. Yes, guys, that is really true. Effort, video editing skills, at good content lang ang puhunan to start your YouTube channel. Siguro mga 2 years din akong nag-wait bago ko ma-monetize my own experience. So, though hindi naman agad kikita through YouTube, so always remember na it's a matter of process. Kapag may tiyaga, syempre may nilaga. Applicable yan. 100% tandaan nyo yan guys sa YouTube. Ako sa'yo, sisimulan ko na ngayon pa lang. Malay nyo after a few months lang, monetize na yung YouTube channel nyo. So, kikita na kayo continuously without any investment involved, diba? Then, let's go to number 5, mga kalabla, Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Honestly, legit naman talaga ang Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. It is just a matter of how knowledgeable you are in this. May mga nagsasabi na hindi legal yung Bitcoins and cryptocurrencies. Maybe because they do not know how to use it properly. Disclaimer lang din guys, hindi din po ako super knowledgeable about Bitcoins and cryptocurrencies. I'm not a fan of it, but I will try to learn maybe soon. I'm just sharing with you what I research, and ito po mostly basic lang just to give you an idea that you can earn money through Bitcoins and cryptocurrencies. But there are cases na you need to invest a little amount of money. It depends pa din sa'yo if willing ka mag-take ng risk. Bitcoins and cryptocurrencies are very wide topic guys, and I am not an expert in this field. If you want to learn more about Bitcoins and cryptocurrencies, there are a lot of videos and articles online na pwede mong basahin or panoorin to enlighten your mind about how this works. But online. There are testimonials saying that Bitcoins and cryptocurrencies can help you earn a good amount of money. But remember, learn the process first before taking a risk. If you want to learn more about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, you can visit CoinSutra and read the contents. Don't worry guys, I will put on the descriptions down below. So, let's go to number 6. Online paid surveys. Online paid surveys ang pinaka-common method of earning money without any investment. Yes. Merong mga surveys company that nagbabayad sa internet users para sa kanilang opinion or reviews about the products or service na ino-offer ng mga companies. Usually, companies will send out free products or services to certain people para subukan ang product or service and make a review from it. Sa internet, you can search different trusted and legit online survey. Then, make a review of their product. But ano-ano nga ba ang mga legit paying online surveys company? So, you can search the following in the internet para sa iba pang impormasyon. At marami pang legit paying online survey site, mga kalablab, kung saan pwedeng mag-join ang sino man walang binabayaran na kahit na magkano. Though, hindi naman kalakihan ang rate sa mga online paid surveys. Pag naipon mo naman ito, pera din ang katumbas nito. So, imagine, nagbigay ka lang ng opinion mo about a certain product, service, sa mga company, then makakaipon ka ng pera to withdraw soon. So, but take note, galing magbasa guys ng terms of service bago mag-sign up or mag-join sa mga online survey site. The last but not the least, let's go to number 7, guest posting. Yan. Guest posting does not need any amount of investment. The thing is, like blogging, you need to have the writing skills to do so. This is a work from home opportunity for stay-at-home mom. Yes, yung mga mami dyan, kaway-kaway. So, kung bet na bet nyo ang mga pagsusulat, pursue this career and you will never regret doing it. Just like freelancing, kailangan mo lang humanap ng client or website na tumatanggap ng guest post for their website or blog. Kung makakagawa ka ng highly quality and informative content for the readers based on the niche you are into, then for sure madali lang ma-approve ito sa mga website na tumatanggap ng guest post. Siyempre, once na ma-approve at ma-publish ang writing mo, babayaran ka ng client siyempre or website kung saan na-publish ang content mo. And paying system ay usually per words or sometimes naman fixed per article, depende sa required number of words. Ang guest posting ay walang pinipiling edad or educational background. Kahit high school student ka pa, basta approve ang content na ginawa mo, mababayaran at kikita ka. So, you can pitch stories or content as much as you want to different websites accepting guest posts. Pero dapat original ang content mo, not plagiarized in any way. Kung plagiarize na tayo guys, spell it, basta carbon copy or hindi, manggagaya yon. Hindi carbon copy or hindi ka nanggagaya, mga ganyan, ganun. So, to give some idea where you can pitch your content equivalent to a sum of money, you can search the following for more information. This. Don't worry mga kalablab, lahat ng site na nakita nyo sa screen ko ngayon, I will put it on the description box below para may reference din kayo. And I hope makatulong po sa inyo. Then, bukod po sa mga na-mention ko, marami pang ibang blogs and sites where you can submit a guest post and get paid. Just Google it. So, you know, Google is the key, ganun. So, there you have it guys. You already have the 7 ways to make money without spending any amount of money. For sure, kahit sa isa lang dito sa mga nabanggit ko ay applicable na sa'yo. If you really want to earn money, then you should do any of from these 7 ways. And if you know anything else on how to make money without no investment, comment down below para maraming ma-inform, makatulong tayo. And if you have tried any from these ways I have mentioned, then kindly share the journey with us. Comment down below again and let us make more money in the future. Good luck! And don't forget to share this video kung may natutunan ka, like and subscribe. And always remember, be motivated and dedicated. This is Lovely. It's a lovely day. See you in my next video. Ciao!
I'm still breathing, falling in love every evening. So